Hello everybody, welcome to the magical world of art and craft. So today I'm going to show you all how to make a flower design like this. So first of all, take your paper and fold it in half, then into another half, and take one of your corner and cut out a circle, means a quarter of the circle. Then give it a bit of fold and then cut out a petal, like half of the petal. Like this. Then give it another fold over here. Then another fold over here. And then you are done. Now just open it and you'll get your flower design. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. And yeah, please subscribe. Thank you.